Welcome to another short SuiteCX video tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you one of our new features, which is the sticky note IPoint. So the purpose of the sticky note IPoint is to give you a whiteboarding environment to use in SuiteCX so that you can do all your work in SuiteCX and that you don't have to migrate work that you may have done in another third-party web-based tool like Bluescape or Miro or Mural. We are finding a lot of people are doing their whiteboarding in those tools, and then they come to SuiteCX and they would like to import the work from those experiences into our system so that they can start doing journey maps and start taking advantage of the layered map features and all the list managers and all the data storage and all the content management. So what we thought is, why not give you an environment where you can do your sticky note exercises directly in SuiteCX in our digital canvas using sticky notes that we've designed that are actually interaction points. So you may recall we always had sticky notes, and they were mostly just for taking notes, and they look like this. So what we've done, and these are still here, you can still use these for commentary, but we've created now a way of using the IPoint so that the IPoint is a sticky note. Now you'll notice on this map, when I go to the IPoint library and I click Add New Interaction Point, my IPoints are sticky notes. So you just double click on the next one that you want to add and drag it and drop it and put it where you want it, just like you would normally. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Then you can just click into the IPoint, you can give it a title. And if you're working in a live workshop and someone gives you a description, you can put all the notes in here. And then if they give you a little extra information, like maybe this is a pain point and or a moment of truth, you can go ahead and tag it right there. So if you're working in a very agile environment and you don't really have the time to get into all these other attributes about the interaction point, you can always do that later. But at the very least, you can tag a title, a description, and maybe a couple descriptors. If they give you an emotion, then you can easily click on emotion and go ahead and give that an identifier with maybe a brief description. And then click Save. So this is one of our newest features. And when you're done with your workshop and you've collected all the feedback from the team that's helping, you can just get back to this map now, clean everything up, do your deduplications, make sure that everything is as you want it to be, and then you can just clone the map. And then if you click on icon, that will automatically convert these sticky note IPoints to what are more of a traditional looking IPoint, where you've got the little icon and you've got the clickable title and you've got everything. Now you're going to still have that entire database behind the IPoint. You can add it to inventory, you can add scores, you can go through the whole process of really filling out the IPoint. You could add findings and recommendations. And a lot of times this information does come up in these workshops. So this would be a really nice way for you to get all your content managed in one place and really enrich these touches. So that's the demo on the new feature. And in order to access the new sticky note template, you can use the sticky note IPoint on any map that you wish. Any of our map templates are consistently used with these IPoints. But if you would like to use a template that's already been designed for you, then you can just go to the map database, click Add Map, and then on the far left you'll see there's a new map template, sticky notes on butcher paper. Just click on that, and then that'll just within one click give you a super easy whiteboard environment that you can get going on. So you can set this up for your whiteboarding session, maybe later today. Very little setup is required. Give it a title. You've got your full blank canvas. You can add more to the map. You can include a backstage. You can include an additional workspace and maybe a couple list managers for findings and recommendations. And here you go. You're ready to go. Click on Add the IPoint, and then you can just start adding IPoints. So I hope this is helpful. Do reach out if you have any questions about this, and I hope that you all can start to take advantage of this and start using this in your workshops. Okay, thank you very much.